Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
While the desired outcome is the same for the levels command as the auto levels command, you can manually adjust the levels by using the levels command to precisely control the results. With the levels command, you can adjust up to 256 different tones that can give you a much more natural finished look than the brightness contrast command can. To manually adjust the levels, select Enhance, Adjust Lighting, Levels from the menu bar. The Levels dialog box then appears where you make your selections. The histogram shows how the pixels in the image are distributed at each of the 256 brightness levels, with shadows at the left, midtones in the middle, and highlights to the right. While you can use the channel drop-down to select any of the available color channels, you generally want to make your changes in the RGB channel. There are 3 eyedroppers under the buttons in the dialog box: black, gray, and white. Click each of the eyedroppers, and then select pixels in the image that best represent the 3 colors. For gray, try to find a point in the image with equal parts red, green, and blue. If you need help identifying the parts of the image that are the most black, white, and gray, Elements can help. Select Window, Info from the menu bar to launch the Info panel. With the panel open, then pass your mouse cursor over the image to see the R, G, and B color levels change. Since black is the total absence of color, the RGB levels should be at their lowest levels when you find the blackest part of the image. The opposite is true for white. Note that you can also use the output sliders to adjust the levels for even more precise manual control. When you are happy with your results, click the OK button in the Levels dialog box.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.